My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-up alerts that come from the site Puodaqi.icu. Puodaqi.icu is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. Puodaqi.icu tries to mislead people and to make them download and install some unwanted browser extensions. Such extensions, by the way, may operate as browser hijackers. They may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. So if you see these pop-ups by Puodaqi.icu, don't interact with them, don't tolerate them, and don't install anything that they suggest. If any unwanted extensions were installed by mistake, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start thoroughly investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.